Nearly 7 years after the Camp Fire, the town of Paradise still has no hospital. With the Feather River Hospital badly damaged and closed, Adventist Health announced 2 years ago it had no plans to ever reopen the facility. Action News Now reporter Bella Barbosa shows us how not having a hospital in the town is having a big impact on people there.
When asked how they felt about the town not having a hospital, Paradise residents I spoke with shared their frustrations.
I'm disappointed if Adventist Health doesn't open it. They're more caring than other hospitals that I've been to, and they care. They care a lot, they did, but it doesn't make sense to me why they wouldn't bring back the hospital.
Back in 2023, Adventist Health announced that it would not reopen the Feather River Hospital, stating at the time that the population post-Camp Fire could not support it. But it's been nearly 7 years, and the population in the town of Paradise has grown to about 11,000 people, a 139% increase since January of 2019, though not at half of what the population size was a year before the fire. Still, this increase in population size has some in the town saying they feel it's time to bring back the health care they once had access to.
They said there wasn't enough people here. There's plenty of people here sick. They need a hospital here. They really do. Immediate care is very important to us. So I'd like to see it come back.
A vicious cycle. That's how some I spoke with defined the issue, saying that the lack of health care available here impacts the number of people wanting to live here, which impacts the healthcare providers' willingness to open and maintain a hospital here.
It's just so important to have all those services close by. I think if you have those services close by, you might get more people moving back to Paradise.
And while Adventist Health does run a clinic here in Paradise, it does not offer emergency services or other services that the town once had available to them, meaning those on the ridge must drive about 20 minutes to Chico if they need to go to the hospital. How is the town of Paradise's leadership working to address this issue? Mayor Steve Crowder tells me the town is conducting a study that he hopes will convince healthcare providers to expand services on the ridge.
It's going to give a whole round, robin of that, and hopefully it'll get us the services that we need. And my personal opinion is, I don't care what the sign in front of the hospital says, whether it be Adventist Health or Sutter or whoever. We just need more here.
In Paradise, Bella Barbosa, Action News Now.
The study being done by the town of Paradise began in June and is expected to wrap up in about a month from now.